Welcome to Engineering Archives. Let us look at our learning problem number 5. So this problem asks us to find the resultant force. It doesn't specify anything else. Like, it doesn't say that we have to give exactly the magnitude of the resultant force. So we can give the answer in the Cartesian notation, and that is what we are going to do in this question. So let's begin. So the first thing that we have to do is divide these forces into their components along the x, y, and z axes, and then we can add those components and then write those in the Cartesian notation. So let's start with F1. So the component of F1 along the y-axis, or Fy, is going to be 100 of this angle right here. Since they have given us this triangle, we can use this triangle to find this angle, and the value that we would get is 36.87 degrees. So 500 of 36.87. This will give us 400 pounds. Next off, the component along the z-axis. So that would be equal to 500 sine of 36.87. This will give us 300 pounds. Okay, let's move on to the force F2. So let's find the component along the z-axis first. So the component of F2 along the z-axis is going to be 800 sine of 45, and we should put a negative sign since it's in the negative z. It's in the direction of the negative z-axis. So negative 800 sine of 45. This would give us 565.7. Component along the x-axis. This would be equal to 800 cos of 45 cos of 30 degrees, and this would be equal to 489.9 pounds. And along the y-axis, (800 cos of 45 sine of 30 degrees). And this will be equal to 282.8 pounds. Now that we have all the components in all the directions, we can simply add the components and then write them in the Cartesian notation. So the force F is the total resultant force is going to be equal to 489.9 pounds in the x direction plus next up the y-axis. So we will have 400 pounds plus 282.8 pounds, and lastly we will have the z-axis, which is 300 minus 565.7. Okay, and once we add all of them, we get 489.9i plus 682.8j minus 265.7k. So this was the simple procedure for this question. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.